Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go ahead and create an app called Show Me the Bio. This app will have two pictures. Namely, we're going to have pictures of Mozart and Bach, or Bach, depending on where you're watching these videos from. And when you click on a picture, it will take you to a details page or screen where it will have that picture and a little bit of text at the bottom. That's it. Alright, let's go ahead and start building it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Android Studio, File, New Project. We're going to call it Show Me Bio. Next. This is fine. Next. Let's go blank and next. Go finish. And Android Studio is now creating our project. Alright, and here we have our project created, and let's go ahead and delete this hello world here. See, click, right click, delete. Perfect. Now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Drawables here and right click, and we're going to say reveal in Finder. So here we have our path to our Drawables, and we have all those different ones. And we're going to go, I have the images of Bach and Mozart, so I'm going to drag them over to our Drawables here. The first one. Perfect. Close out of that. And if we go here, now we should have those images, Bach profile and Mozart. Perfect. Go ahead and put our pictures here. Screen. So I go and get an image view, drag it over here. First one's going to be at the top here. And I'm going to do the same, get a second one here at the bottom. But you can see, you cannot see them now because they all have wrap content. So let's go ahead and specify what we want. Let's say we want this to be 200 dp by 200 dp, and the same here, dp. Perfect. Let's look at it now. So first, okay, that's too big. Let's say 100 by 100 dp by 100 dp. And while we're here, let's give it a different ID. Let's first say Bach image. Let's call this Mozart image. Excellent. Let's go back here. So there we got the first one, you can see, and the second one. Let's see here, if we move a little bit up, synchronize a little bit here. That's fine. Maybe a little bit bigger, say 150. There we go. Perfect. Alright, that should be okay. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and actually add those images. So for first one here, it says bag. I want to say Bach. Oh, Bach. Perfect. So here. Okay. Excellent. Now let's give our background here, our root. Let's go to our background. Let's go here. What background do we want? Maybe this one? Sure. Why not? We may change if we feel the need to do so. Okay, now let's go to our text here, and I want to go ahead and add Android background. For this image view, what we're going to try to get is to get our drawable Bach profile first. So I know it's an add drawable, so click that, enter, and we named it Bach profile. If you would enter and save, let's see. And there it is. There's our Bach. And we go to our second one here, and we say Android background image, add drawable, and it's Mozart. Enter and save, and we should see Mozart here. Perfect. So now we are done with our first view here. Let's create our second one, the one that's going to show our details, our bio. So when we click on Bach, will take us to that second screen, and we'll have these pictures, and at the bottom we'll have a little bit of a text. Alright, so let's go ahead here and right click, say new, go to layout resource file, click that, and we're going to call it details activity. We want this to be relative layout. Perfect, submain, this is good, and there it is. So here we're going to put an image view, so go to that image, put an image view here, go to text, let's make this, let's do 200 dp or 200 dp, save for now. Okay, let's call details image, save, perfect. Let's change the root background here to something background, go to colors, and this works, perfect. This is where, let's put our image a little bit at the top here, and here we're going to put a text view because that's where our bio will be displayed. So let's go to medium text and get it here. That works. Now we have our details screen, and we have our activity screen here. So we click on box, then we'll take us to details and show box image and then a little bio here. Perfect. Now in the next video we're going to go ahead and start wiring things up. See you in the next one.